Hey everyone, it's your girl Candy Crusher again. Sorry it's been so long since I've been in front of the camera, but I'm sure my fellow YouTube creators know how it is sometimes. You just get busy and it's just hard to find the time to film. But anyway, I want to say to anyone who's his first time watching my video, thank you so much for taking the time out to give me some support. Hopefully by the end of this video, you'll decide to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And also welcome back to all of my subscribers. And as always, the support is very much appreciated. I really appreciate you guys for interacting with me in the comments, for liking, sharing, following, just supporting me. I really appreciate it. Now, the last time you guys saw me, I did an unboxing of Coach Cassie bag and the bright cherry. And if you watch the video, which I'll leave a link down in the description, you know I was quite unpleased with the way the bag arrived. It arrived inside a box that was smaller than the actual bag. So on the back of the bag, there was an indentation on the pocket. People in the comments told me because it was pebbled leather that it should pop out. So what I did was stuffed it. Not overstuffed it, but stuffed it enough, and it did end up popping out. So I was able to keep the bag. And this color is really showing up quite nicely, and it's true to color right now. So right in here is where the indentation was. And as you can see, it popped right out. This bag, it isn't stuffed right now. It's completely empty. I actually swapped out of it yesterday, but up until that point, I had carried it for about a week and a half. But I actually enjoyed carrying this bag. I mainly carried it crossbody. I just loved it, and I was surprised that I loved this bag as much as I did because it does have it's like compartmentalized, and a lot of times I don't really like bags like that. But this one was very spacious. I was able to take all of my essentials in it. I didn't feel like I had to pick and choose what I could take with me while I was carrying in it. And of course, this back pocket is awesome right here for my phone. I have a iPhone XS Max, and it fit in here perfectly. I didn't have to worry about seeing the imprint of the phone on the back. It was just an awesome carry. And this color is out of my comfort zone. And that's one of the reasons why I purchased this, because I'm trying to step outside the box. And it was originally, at the time of the sale, it was a sale at Bloomingdale's. It was $245, and there was an additional 25% off. And with tax and everything, it was $211. But after I received it the way I did, I called Bloomingdale's customer service, explained to them what happened. The SA was very helpful, and they ended up giving me an additional 15% possibly off. Whatever the percentage was, they ended up crediting my debit card back for $52 and some change. So I ended up paying like $147 for this bag, which I thought was an amazing deal. And it just goes to show that even though Bloomingdale's messed up with the way they shipped it, they took care of me at the end of the day. They were apologetic, and they made sure I was a happy customer. So the fact that I got a credit and I was able to get the dent out, it was a win-win, no-brainer. Had to keep this bag. I liked carrying it so much that if I ever come across another good deal, I probably would purchase it in another color. Probably. But for now, I'm really enjoying this bag. I just wanted to come on here and give you guys an update because it's been a minute, and a lot of you were wondering if I decided to keep it or not. And I did. I just couldn't let her go back because of the price, and then the even better price I got with a further discount after speaking with Bloomingdale's customer service. And this bag that I have over here beside me, it is an older bag. This is the bag that I switched into yesterday. And it's my Rebecca Minkoff Quilted Affair. And right now you can probably only find this bag on the secondhand market, which is actually where I purchased it. And I got a really good deal on it. I think I might have purchased it off of Mercari a while back. It's been over a year since I bought this bag, and I think the lady whom I purchased it from, I think she may have only used it a couple of times, but it looked practically brand new when I received it. And I love this bag. I love black and gold. I'm not gonna say it's my favorite combination, but I like it because it's just a classic look, and I feel like it'll never go out of style. And you can dress it up, dress it down. It's not trendy at all. Like I said, it's just classic and timeless, and I like it. And it does have a back pocket on the back, and it's very spacious or whatever. I'm not gonna do what's in my bag, but I just wanted to share with you that this is the bag that I'm currently carrying. It's Rebecca Minkoff Quilted Affair bag, and she's awesome. You see the chain, and you can wear crossbody, long shoulder, short shoulder, and most of the time I prefer to wear it like this. Yeah, so I'm loving her. I'm not sure when I'm going to change out of her. I may change out of her after tomorrow. I don't know, but I'm enjoying carrying her right now. And actually, I'm enjoying carrying bags that are about this size at the moment. But yeah. Coach Cassie and Bright Cherry, she's here to stay. And my Rebecca Minkoff Quilted Affair in black with the gold tone hardware. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Please share this video. And I promise you, I'm going to try to do a better job of uploading content because I have plenty of bags that you guys have not seen yet. And I will have some reveals and maybe an unboxing. I've gotten quite a few bags over the last couple of months, and I haven't used hardly any of them. So that's what I want to start doing, is using what I have and appreciating what I have. Sometimes it gets to be too much with collecting these bags, and it gets to be overwhelming. So I'm at a point where I need to use what I have to see if I truly like what I have in my collection. And the only way I'm going to know that is to actually carry some of my bags. But anyway, thank you so much for the support. And you guys just stick around with me, and let's continue to enjoy this ride together. And I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.